Hey guys, it's Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks so much for all of the love and support. I want to go over a couple things. I get questions on several different things that I want to go over and get them answered right now, so you guys can always refer back to this video. I've got kind of an outline. First of all, we're back from California. Took care of some family business over there, but we were able to get in some fun as well, class reunion and spending time with the kids and family. So thank you guys for all your prayers and well wishes and everything else. Number two, we just hit 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. Can't believe it. And we owe it all to you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. We love you all. And we're still moving on. We got lots of things coming up. Really exciting stuff in the next couple months. Number three, I get questions all the time that people that may be brand new, and we get a lot of new people all the time, and you guys might not realize how we actually do our business. Well, and where we get our stuff, our supplies and whatnot. We actually have a website right there where we sell our supplies. We sell router bits, we sell router base plates. Am I in the way? Router base plates.
You're fat.
We sell layout letters and templates and just all kinds of router bit depth gauge and all different kinds of things that we have. So if you go to the website, make a wood sign, just be sure and click on the sign carving supplies, which is over to the, that would be your left,
Right.
over to the right. My left, your right. Yeah. Click on that and you'll see everything through there. And by the time you see this, hopefully, they'll also be over on the right side of that. You'll see a link to our Amazon store. So we have, again, we have supplies and all this stuff that we have on our website. But the stuff that we don't have on our website, if you want to purchase a router or a sander or stuff that we don't carry on our website, we may have a link to it on our Amazon store. And that's an affiliate page for us, so we get a little bit of a kind of a kickback on that. So if you like any of that, the Amazon link should be on our website, that same website. If it's not, then you can always email us, eric@makeawoodsign.com or Vicki with davesigns@gmail.com. And then we can send you the link. So, and it's also in the description down below of every video that we've done for the last probably 6 months. So you can see, you can find it there right close to the top. So that's that. So yes, supplies. That's the way we really fund what we do. We don't make really very much money on commercials and monetization as far as that goes. At some point in time we might, but I don't think that we're ever going to do a Patreon account. You guys have asked me about that. You guys really support us so well on just buying supplies from us that that we will never do a Patreon as far as what we feel right now. We just won't do that. The other thing, premium membership. I get, again, new people coming in all the time. What is this premium membership thing? So I'm going to go over the benefits of premium membership, what it is. Basically, it's $9.95 a month that you set up on a recurring billing, so it just bills automatically on whatever card or PayPal account, whatever you want to do. And for that, you get several different things. You get access, a link to a 45-minute video that was a DVD. It's a $20 DVD that we still sell all the time. But we have that actually listed on a private video on YouTube that we send you a link when you sign up as a premium member. So that's number one. Number two, you get free router bit sharpening. Any bits that you buy from us, Profile, SC50, any bits other than the spiral upcut, we can't do that because it's a spiral flute. But any of the other bits that we sell, that we have on our website, if you're a premium member, we sharpen them for you for free.
If they buy them from us.
If you buy them from us, yes. So all you will pay is return shipping. You get them to us, you pay $7 return shipping, whether it's 1 bit or 20 bits. But all the bits that you buy from us, we will sharpen them for you free. Again, the exception is that spiral upcut. We can't sharpen that because we do it by hand on a diamond wheel. Dad taught me to do it back when I was in my teens. Anyway, so that's really the big one. Also, you get the template of the month. Every month that you're a premium member, we come out with a new template of the month, what we call the Tom. We come out with a new one every month. This month, it is actually that little skull and crossbones that I just carved on video the other day, on video 321, I think. Or it was 320. So, how you get those, let me explain this because this gets confusing. We couldn't afford to send one out to you every month, unless we're putting it in another package. So, here's the thing. Vicki keeps very close track of when you become a premium member. Say you become a premium member in May, but then you don't send your bits in to get them sharpened, or you don't purchase anything until July. What will happen is the next time we ship something to you, we will give you all of those Toms, those template of the month, all the back ones you got coming, because Vicki keeps really close track of that. And so we don't send them to you automatically every month because it would cost us $7 or $8 every month just to send those to you. So we'll hundreds of them. Yeah, we've got bunches of them. So we will send them to you for every month that you're a premium member. The next time we're sending you something to you anyway, like your free router bit sharpening, or you're ordering something, we will catch up all the ones that are due you, and we will send them to you then. Now, I know that's kind of complicated, but that's really the only way we can do it until we come up with a transporter or something. We can shoot them to you that way. Yeah. And then the other thing, advantage or benefit to the premium membership is 5% discount on anything that you buy off the website. So router bits or whatever, you get a 5% discount. Now the way that is worked is you'll get a code. Every month you'll get a code for that month. There's a special code that when you go in and order, and there's actually a video on that Vicki did, you'll enter this code, this coupon code, and that will automatically deduct 5% off of your total at the bottom. It doesn't come off the shipping. It just off of the products, and then the shipping, all of the shipping is only $7.50 no matter what you order. And so that's kind of the synopsis. Now also on when you go to the website and you at the very top, there over to the right, there's a thing that says premium membership. If you click on there, there's some videos on there to watch, and there's all the details as well on there. But if you have questions, obviously, like always, you can email us. Now, if you can't find that code, where to put that code in, you know what? Down below, I can't remember the name of the video.
I think it's like video 241 or something.
I can't remember. No, I don't think it's it. But I will put a link to the premium membership code details, how to do it, because Vicki did a whole video on that in the description below. So I will put that down. Anyway, but if you can't figure out that code, then call in the order. Just on the website, our phone number is right there. Just call us, and Vicki will take your order over the phone. We'll always do that, and then she'll just manually enter it with your discount. I think that's it. As far as the questions on supplies. So
if they have any questions, just call me or send me an email.
Yeah, give us a call or send us an email. We'd be happy to help you out or enter
walk you through it on the computer.
Yeah, walk you through it. But we are so blessed that you guys support us in that way. And in case you're brand new, I'm going to use this video probably as a and link it to people when I get these questions. Link back to this video so it kind of tells everybody who we are and what we do. So thank you guys so much. We so appreciate it. We love you all. One final thing, announcement. There will be no LTS, live training session. Normally, we do a live training session, which is a Facebook or a YouTube live 1 hour deal at the last Saturday of every month. What we've decided to do for the last 3 months of the year, October, November, December, no LTSs. We're still going to be doing all of our videos just like always, but no LTSs now until January of next year of 2019. We've just got so much going on. We've got some different things that are happening that we're gonna just say the last 3 months of every year we're not gonna do the LTSs, so we'll do them 9 months out of the year. That is it. Gosh, I think that's it. So, any questions, please email me directly. Don't send me a message through Facebook because I missed a lot of those messages. I apologize, but there's so many different places it can be. But please, please, please email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com, or call us. We're happy to talk to you over the phone. I'm on Instagram every day, Make a Wood Sign on Instagram. That is going on. Workbench Con's coming up in February. We'll be talking more about that as time goes on. There's and there's actually some other really exciting stuff. So thanks again, guys. That's it. I'm done. I'm out of breath. And we will see you guys on Friday. We got a brand new video coming up on Friday. We'll be doing a demo. Not sure exactly which one I'm going to do, but I got some exciting stuff coming up. So thanks, guys. Love you all. We'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye.